Greetings to everyone. My name is Atharva Parashar.
And myself Subhi Mahajan.
You are watching Radio 30073 and we are your today's radio jockeys.
So we'll be giving you a report of today's activity that happened in our school. So the two activities conducted today were the book fair conducted by Blossom's Book Center, aided by the Minister of Education and the School Model United Nations. So considering the book fair, it concluded today. Yesterday, the students were able to look at books and note down the names of the books they wanted to buy today. Now, today, they were able to buy it. And I recently learned that the teachers were also able to buy the books they wanted. So I wonder how much profit Blossom's Book Centers really had. So considering the month, I'll hand off it to Atharva.
The Model United Nations, which was organized by institutions, St. Xavier's High School MIDC branch, had basically two main committees, which were UNHRC and UNSC. Considering UNSC as its agenda was maintaining international peace and security, each and every delegate of the respected country addressed the challenges to the agenda as well as debated upon the current conflicts and wars which are disrupting the global world order. We witnessed some heated arguments between the delegates of USA, Ukraine and Russia between the Russian invasion of Ukraine, as well as some really heated statements between delegate of Palestine and guest delegate of Israel, who was me. In UNHRC, we witnessed a neck-to-neck debate between the delegates of Russian Federation, Western nations, Ukraine, Israel and Palestine over the committee, in which they had put some serious allegations over each other. So with this, we sign off for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.